In this question, we're given the focal points f1 and f2 and a point P in the ellipse. We are not given the major axis or the minor axis. To solve this question, I will start off by writing out the formula. f1 to P plus f2 to P equals the length of my major axis. Our simplified version of this can be wrote as f1p plus f2p equals length of major axis. Once I've identified my formula, I will then join f1 to P and join f2 to P. The sum of these two distances equals the length of my major axis. If I extend f1 through P and add on the distance from P to f2, this new line now represents the length of my major axis. Alternatively, I could just draw a straight line anywhere, identify any position for f1, take the distance from f1 to P, step it out, label it f1p, take the distance from P to f2, step it out. This also equals the length of my major axis. I'm now bisecting f1 to f2 to find the halfway point where my minor axis will lie, and also the position where I can draw my major auxiliary circle. I will then bisect my major axis to find the halfway point to get the radius for my major auxiliary circle. I'll now draw my major auxiliary circle. Now to find the minor auxiliary circle, or the length of the minor axis, I will take half the major axis, swing it from the focal points to give me my minor axis. Alternatively, the straight line I drew out to identify my major axis, I can bisect that line to find the halfway point for my major auxiliary circle, and it gives me the same end result.